Hello, good afternoon. I'm Daddy again from the Golden Bali Tour. We are bringing someone from Spain. Yeah? What do you think about rice field and about me?
Very good experience with Teddy. We are here in the rice fields. Just a relaxing afternoon. Here with Teddy that has explained everything about the processes of planting the rice. And well, this is an amazing place with amazing views. And as he says, we can refresh our minds here.
Thank you. And about you?
This is an incredible experience. This is the best guide here in Bali.
Mr. Daddy is good guide.
Yeah,
Are
a
you
very
sure?
good guide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we are having a great time here.
Thank you. And about you? You can talk with Spain.
En español.
Es una bonita experiencia, estamos con Teddy, que es el mejor guía que tenemos aquí en Bali, y para nosotros está siendo una experiencia formidable venir a Bali y acompañarnos con él.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh, perfecto, eh?
Perfecto.
Perfecto. It's good. Thank you very much.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Keeps me high.
Okay. Thank you very much. So how about the coffee? Good. The taste coffee. Good. How about the luwak coffee? Very good. Everything's good. This is the first
Can I
time
be
you
your
can try about the
star
coffee.
tonight?
Okay, more coffee.
You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side